Hey hustlers! Ever dreamt of being your own boss? That dream is closer than you think with print on demand. Pod empowers you to design and sell custom products. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, without the headache of inventory or shipping. No more stockpiles in your garage. You create, someone buys, a third-party prints and ships. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, it's a low-risk, high-reward opportunity. You bring the creativity, and the pod world handles the rest. So are you ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? Let's dive into the exciting world of pod. Let's break down the magic of print on demand. It's all about connecting your creativity with customers around the globe, without the traditional hurdles of starting a business. Here's the play-by-play. First, you create. Design eye-catching artwork for products you love. T-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, the possibilities are endless. Next, you list. Choose a pod platform and upload your designs. Set your prices and watch your online store come to life. Then, they buy. A customer stumbles upon your awesome design and hits purchase. The pod platform takes over, printing and shipping your design directly to the customer. You don't lift a finger. Finally, you profit. Each sale puts money in your pocket. The beauty of pod lies in its simplicity and low risk. Choosing the right pod platform is crucial to your success. It's like picking the perfect stage for your entrepreneurial debut. Let's break down some of the heavy hitters. First, there's Printful, known for its high-quality products and wide range of printing options. Plus, their integration with popular e-commerce platforms makes setting up shop a breeze. Next up is Printify. With a massive network of print providers, Printify offers competitive pricing and a vast product catalog. Then there's Redbubble. Redbubble is a vibrant marketplace dedicated to pod products, handling marketing and sales for you. Lastly, we have Shopify. While not strictly a pod platform, it integrates seamlessly with Printful and Printify, allowing you to build a professional online store. Explore your options, do your research, and choose the one that best aligns with your goals. In the world of pod, your designs are your heroes. They're what grab attention, spark desire, and ultimately drive those sweet, sweet sales. So how do you create designs that stand out from the crowd? First, find your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on a specific audience or theme that resonates with you. Next, stay ahead of the trend curve. Keep your finger on the pulse of current trends in pop culture. Incorporate these elements into your designs to create products that feel fresh and relevant. Remember, quality is king. Ensure your designs are high resolution and visually stunning. Use design software if needed, and don't be afraid to invest in your craft. Finally, mock it up. Use platform tools or design software to create realistic product mock-ups. Showcasing your designs on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases helps customers visualize the final product. Invest time in crafting high-quality, on-trend designs that speak to your target audience. Ready to turn your design dreams into a reality? Let's walk through the process of setting up shop on two popular pod platforms. First, Redbubble, your marketplace shortcut. 1. Sign up. Head over to Redbubble and create a free account. It's quick and easy. 2. Upload your masterpieces. Choose the products you want to sell and upload your designs. Redbubble supports a wide range of file formats, so you've got options. 3. Set your prices. Redbubble provides a base price for each product. You set your markup, which determines your profit margin. And 4, that's it. Redbubble handles everything else: printing, shipping, customer service. Next, Printful Printify, your e-commerce powerhouse. 1. Choose your platform. Create an account on either Printful or Printify. Both offer free and paid plans, so pick the one that fits your budget and needs. 2. Connect to your store. Integrate your chosen pod platform with your Shopify store or other e-commerce platforms. This creates a seamless connection for order fulfillment. 3. Upload and list. Add your designs to the product catalog. Set your prices, write compelling product descriptions, and publish your listings. You've got amazing designs, a sleek online store, and now it's time to spread the word. Effective marketing is crucial to attracting customers and making those sales soar. First, harness the power of social media. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, these platforms are your marketing goldmines. Create engaging content that showcases your products in action. Think lifestyle shots, behind-the-scenes peeks, and customer spotlights. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Next, master the art of SEO. Search engine optimization is key to getting found online. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags so customers can easily discover your products. Then, unleash the power of paid advertising. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Google Ads or social media. Set a budget, target specific demographics and interests, and track your results to maximize your return on investment. Finally, build your email tribe. Offer a discount code or freebie in exchange for email signups. Build a list of engaged subscribers and keep them in the loop with new product launches and exclusive promotions. Congratulations, you've launched your pod business and you're on your way to entrepreneurial success. But the journey doesn't end there. Here are some tips to help you navigate the exciting world of pod and build a brand that lasts. First, keep those designs coming. Stay ahead of the competition by regularly adding new designs and expanding your product line. The more you offer, the wider your appeal, and the greater your chances of attracting customers. Next, customer service is king. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and strive to provide exceptional service. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your brand to others. Then, embrace the data. Use analytics tools to track your sales, website traffic, and customer behavior. This valuable data will help you understand what's working, what's not, and how to optimize your strategies for maximum impact. Finally, scale smartly. As your business grows, don't be afraid to outsource tasks, invest in new tools, and explore new marketing channels. Scaling strategically allows you to manage your workload and focus on what you do best, creating amazing designs. With passion, persistence, and a commitment to providing exceptional value, you can achieve long-term success in the exciting world of print on demand. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Online Earner, where we show you how to make money online.